Trends, and today on this beautiful amazing Sunday I'm going to be basically listing down the day in the life of your girl Talia while she's drinking her Iaso tea, her NutriBurst, the new product that I'm trying called Rejuve Superfood for the face, and also Resolution Appetite Suppressant. So I'm going to be doing all of that, but before I even go into anything, I just want to always say thank you guys for supporting me. If you are new to this page, please do me a big favor and hit that subscribe button that's right here down below, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and comment below what you want me to do next, or something that like you found interesting or you possibly have a question about, because I will always answer no matter what. Now, back to the video, the main idea. Someone asked me what, like, they understand what the product does, but how do I take it during the day, being that I'm a full-time college student and I also work and I also work out and I'm just busy. You ask anybody that I know personally, they're gonna tell you that I'm always busy, but let me tell you, I'm never too busy to drink my products and consume them, because they actually gave me a total life change. My life has been changed forever. So yeah, let's start. So let's say that it's a Monday, right? Because tomorrow's Monday, and if you're watching this today, starts is tomorrow. All right, I wake up around, did I just say around? I meant around 6 a.m. in the morning, and the first thing that I do is I go wash my face, brush my teeth, all the personal stuff first, right? And after I get out of the bathroom, what do I do next? I go to the fridge. I get my NutriBurst, the liquid vitamin. I shake it up. I pour into this half cap, and I just shot it. I just shoot it down my mouth, and it tastes like candy. That's the first thing that I want to do. Why do I want to do this? Because it's something so simple and so quick that you can possibly forget it. I've forgotten to take it once, and I was like, wow, how easy this was to forget. So that's the first thing that I do. I go to the bathroom, I brush my teeth, do all that, and as soon as I leave, I walk to my kitchen, I grab my NutriBurst, I take a shot of it, and then you have your vitamin out the way, right? It tastes so good, guys. It tastes so good. That also helps me get a jump start to my whole day. So if I have that, the one day that I forgot to take it, I was falling asleep all day. Like, that's real talk there. And I noticed then and there that the NutriBurst was working for me, because the days that I do take it, I'm ready to go, and I don't take my naps anymore. I don't take naps. And now, if I miss a day, it's over. So yeah, there's that. The first thing that I do. Second thing that I do is before breakfast. This is all happening before breakfast, by the way. Everything that I'm doing is before breakfast. I go to my new product that I've been using, and it's an appetite suppressant called Resolution Drops, right? These suppress your appetite. You won't be as hungry, and if you are hungry, you will get full faster, which is the point, because what have I been saying? Clean eating, but what? Portion control. Portion control. So I grab my Resolution Drops. I just open them, and I squeeze to suck up 0.5, which this will do it for you, and put it right underneath your tongue. You let it sit for about 30 seconds, then you swallow. That's it. There's that. That's with the vitamin shot right after that. Then afterwards, what I do is I go start making my tea, which I did because it's still the morning that I'm recording this. So I fill it up with water. I've been using the same bottle of water, so I won't be wasteful with the plastic. And I pour cold water up to about right here. I take from this new raspberry CBD tea of mine, I take a packet out, right? I take a packet out and I pour it directly inside of the water, right? And then I shake it and I'm drinking it. And it's okay, guys. Real talk, it's okay to not have finished your tea before you eat your breakfast. Some of us, we don't have time like that. But the most important thing is to start it before you eat. So that's what I've been doing, but I didn't eat anything yet, so we're good here. And this is my favorite. Between the lemon tea that I showed you guys before, this one tastes like Snapple. It's so good, and you only need one packet. For this, you really only just need one, because after that, you're gonna feel like you're having a whole sugar rush. One packet is just fine, I promise you. You do the NutriBurst, the drops, and the tea before your breakfast, right? And then before you go, if you're rocking a clean face, or you want to just hydrate your skin and feed it what it needs, like witch hazel, then there's the aloe vera, then there's tea tree, and then what else was it? Then there was like a sweet orange peel. With CBD, you want to get the Rejuve. I have scars that are on my face. You see this patch right here? I've been trying to get rid of these scars for like the longest time. So I'm trying this Rejuve right after the tea. I spray it all over my face and I pat it in. That's it. You're gonna be glowing all day. Glowing. So I'm gonna let you guys know how this goes, but I just want to know that I did put this into my routine. And all this stuff, listen, there's a link that's gonna be down there. You click it and you're gonna find all these products that I'm talking about. I got you guys, right? That's for the morning. Then I go to class. I don't worry about none of these products until it's lunchtime. Right about 12 o'clock, that's when I usually eat, from 12 to 12:30. That's when I actually go get lunch. Now, you don't have to drink any NutriBurst, you don't have to drink any tea, no, not for lunch. But what I do now is I take my resolution drops. You have to take this 15 minutes before each meal of the day. Each meal. I know it sounds complicated, guys, but it's really not. You have to keep this in your bag with you at all times. Now, just like the morning, you take your 0.5 dropper under your tongue 15 minutes before lunch. You have to remember to do this. It helps you so that when you go to lunch, you're not eating all this food, because in reality, you're not even going to be that hungry. I had to remind myself on my second day to go get food because I forgot, because I didn't feel anything. So this works really quickly, and this is called liquid lipo. So this is my now, I think, second week trying this, so wait to see those results. But listen, if you want to control your eating, get resolution drops. Like I said, before lunch now, we're on the second time during the same day, that I'm taking it. 15 minutes before breakfast I did it, and now 15 minutes before lunch. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Throughout the whole day, I'm drinking water, so that I know that this is all working throughout my body, because fine, you have like 1, 2, 3 different things flowing. You have the NutriBurst, you have the resolution drops, and you have the CBD flowing through your body, and you gotta hydrate. Water, at least 64 ounces every day with all of this, right? Now dinner time. The whole day passes. You worked out, you did your schoolwork, you went to work, you came back. Now what do? You want dinner now, right? The only thing that you gotta do now, no NutriBurst. You only take that once a day, one time. What you do is now you take your resolution drops again, the same 0.5, under your tongue 15 minutes before dinner. And I like to do this when I'm cooking, because cooking takes a while. So when you start cooking, that's a hack for your mind. You take your resolution drops while you're cooking. And by the time you're done with your food, you can eat, because you already waited 15 plus minutes for your food to finish anyway, right? Then afterwards, 30 minutes before your dinner, like I said, when you're cooking, you might as well make your tea batch, right? You're gonna make your tea the same way that I told you to make it for the morning. Fill it up with water, you pour the packet inside, you shake it, and then you drink it. And it is okay. You don't want to rush. I see a lot of people saying take it 30 minutes before, but that's easy to forget. But if you don't forget, good for you. 30 minutes before, drink it and then have dinner. That's it. But if you're like someone that's really busy, right? You can drink it, start drinking it 30 minutes before, and then afterwards you're just going to, I guess, be finishing it with your dinner, and that's totally okay. For me, when I have my last tea for dinner time, it actually, when it, I guess, mixes with the food, it makes me have to go to the bathroom even more quickly at that moment. So it's working. Don't feel pressure to rush down the product, because that's not good for you. Take it easy, okay? Take it easy. And make sure to hydrate. Water. Like, where's my flask? I have my water flask right here. And I drink like about 2 or 3 of these every day. 2 or 3. And spike it up. Put some lemon in it. Put some berries in it. I love drinking lemon water. That's just great for me. And that's what I do. That's one day in the life of drinking and using all these products, right? It may seem complicated, guys, but I promise you it's not. It actually gets fun. You know why? Because you start seeing results. 5 pounds in 5 days when you first start, guaranteed. Okay? So that's what I do. So rundown, I told you what I did in the morning. If you missed it, just rewind. I told you about the 3 times a day. Resolution drops 15 minutes before each meal. Hold it for 30 seconds. Swallow. Dinner time, you might as well do it while you cook. It makes it easier. I told you about the tea. Drink it twice a day, in the morning and before dinner time. 30 minutes before your meals, but it's okay if you end up drinking the rest with your meal. It's okay. Just take your time, take it easy, right? And 1 packet is enough. 1 packet is enough when you're drinking this new raspberry tea. 1 packet is enough. But if you feel like nothing's happening, by all means, it's healthy and safe enough to do 2 packets. It's fine, okay? But 1 packet is enough. 1, okay? And your NutriBurst, we know 1 shot, half of the cap. Shot it in the morning. As soon as you wake up, makes it easier to remember, and you drink this 1 time. 1 time. 1 time. And I keep repeating myself because I know that there's some people that are gonna miss it. 1 time. And the Rejuve spray, if you're interested, because I'm trying it, I'm not wearing any makeup, I promise you. I've been falling back on that because there's no need when your skin is glowing and you're working on it. You just want to use your Rejuve spray. It is the superfood for the face. You want to just do that, okay? And spritz it, okay? I can actually show you guys real quick. Shake it. You spritz it all over your face and you just pat it. I really want to get this right here, so I'm patting it in, and that's it. It's totally fine. It's totally good. Everything's well. CBD infused spray, and you're gonna be glowing. That's literally it. So I hope that this video helped you guys. I'm pretty sure I hit every point of 1 day in the life, and I do this every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I do this every single day. Every single day, and work out at least 30 minutes, and make sure you eat clean. Portion out your meals. Let the products work for you, but you gotta help the products work too for you, okay? And that's it. I love you guys so much, so very, very much. I love you guys. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you for the views. Thanks for the likes, and just thanks for being here. Thanks for watching this today. Know that I appreciate you. Talia loves you very much. Thank you, Trendy fam. Road to 600, here we go. And that's it. Have a great Sunday. Have a great week. And until the next video. Bye, guys.